Welcome to the special Actionxl sensor pack installation. These are the detailed instructions for setting up the Actionxl sensor, which replaces the standard sensor. This special sensor pack eliminates the need for any wired or wireless controllers. This is a direct connection from the surf simulator to the laptop. The X key on the laptop will now be used to reset the gameplay. It would be wise to carefully watch and review all the diagrams within the video to ensure that the surf simulator is perfectly calibrated for its best performance. You may stop the video at any time if you need to read further or watch a video closely. Look at this diagram very carefully and read all the instructions on the side for detailed information as to how to open up and replace the sensor with the new Actionxl sensor. Stop this video at any time .
Aloha! This is how to set up and calibrate your new surf simulator. Please follow these instructions carefully. You might want to repeat these steps to ensure proper sensitivity and proper operation of your new equipment. Step 1. Make sure that the US cable coming from the surf simulator is connected to your laptop or computer. Do not start the game until the calibration process has taken place. Using the cursor on your computer, go to the Start on the far left bottom. Click on that. Next, go to the Control panel. This should open up the tools of the Control panel and the different selections to control your hardware and sound. Click on the Hardware and Sound, and you will scroll down to the section called Game Controllers. Click on that menu as well. Once you have clicked on the Game Controllers section, a window will come up that will detail the different controls and settings you can make on the surf simulator. Watch this section very carefully. This is the Game Controller window. You will see the motion controller in the menu. Click Properties. Once you hit Properties, you will hit the Settings tab on the left-hand side. The Settings tab will help you detail the different settings on the surf simulator. Once you hit Settings, you'll want to hit the menu or selection Calibrate. Once you're in the Settings menu, you will be able to calibrate the whole entire surf simulator. Hit Calibrate. Hit the button Next. That will take you to finding your center point of the surf simulator. At this point of the setup, please make sure that the surf simulator is perfectly flat on the ground and level. Select Next to bring up the control window. While the surf simulator is still on the ground, move it left and right, forward and backwards. You will see the cursor in the window move correspondingly. You may now stop moving the surf simulator. Leave the surf simulator perfectly still and flat on the ground and click Next. Click the Next button to go to the next section. You will not be concerned with this next section with the Z-axis, so click the button Next. This will bring you to the next section. Your calibration is now complete, so hit Finish. And on this final window, hit the button Apply. You have now completed all the steps in calibrating your surf simulator. You can now go on to start your game. This section is for those who cannot find the game controller icon in the control panel. This is what you'll do. You go to the Start in the left-hand corner of your laptop, desktop, and you're going to type in the words in the empty field there. joy.cpl. So it's joy.cpl. This will bring up a program called joy.cpl. You'll double click on that, and this is going to be bringing up your game controller. Make sure the Surf Simulator is connected at this point. You're going to see the game controller or motion controller show up in the window. You're going to click on the icon properties, and that will bring up another window which will show you the motion controller setup. Now once you're in this window, you should go to the settings tab. There you go, settings tab, and now you're going to go to calibrate. Once you're at the calibration window, you're going to go and click on next.
By clicking on next, you will open the window called Find Center Point. Now as you notice, it says leave the handle centered and press a button. Ignore this. What you want to do is leave the surfboard flat on the ground and centered without any movement, and then press enter on the keyboard, which will bring up the next screen. So just press enter on the keyboard to bring up the next screen.
Hit enter on your laptop. Press the key enter.